So my project that I'm working on now is a centerpiece that I saw this advertised on Pinterest. I'll get the lady's name so that you can see her project. It was really nice. I liked what she did, but I wanted to spin on it and do a few things different. But I like the main concept of it. Anyway, so it's these paper towel holders from the Dollar Tree. Takes two of them, and we invert one on top of the other, and then we use these zip ties to hold them together. Simply insert that zip tie, make sure that it goes in the right direction. And then you just snug it together. It's really, this part is really super easy. Okay, you want to pull that really tight. Then you're going to get another one, and you're going to attach. This part got down pat. With the virus going around, I've got a lot of different bits and pieces, things I can do while I'm waiting for in between. Whoops, wrong way. If you don't hear the clicking noise on the zip tie, then you've got it on the wrong side. I figured that out finally. Listen there. Hear that? That's the clicking noise. It's actually kind of pleasant sound. Okay, so you want to do it really snug so it holds them in place. And then you're going to put two more on the bottom. I want 4 of these, 3 to 4, but I would love to have 4. We're going to hoping I have enough supplies to do 4, but I'm definitely going to get 3. And one more. And it's just connecting at the base. It's just connecting the two paper towel holders together. Make sure I hear the zipping noise, and I do. There we go. So make sure these are snug before you trim them off. Oops. I think I just broke another nail. It's my norm. Okay, so really snug, really snug, really snug. And we're gonna clip. Clip as close as you can. I don't like that I didn't get that close enough. But it won't be, from what when I get done, it won't show. So, I don't like that's loose. Let me pull it a little bit snugger. That's such a word, snugger. Okay, clip that off. Okay, then we're gonna go make sure the bottom are tight, snug them up really good. Clip them off. My scissors are not wanting to cooperate on that one. Next one. Alrighty. Now, when you get done, you have, this is what it looks like. Okay? 2 paper towel holders from the Dollar Tree, United. Okay, I have a bunch more to go, so I'll see you later. Okay, so we got these chains from Amazon. They are these big crystal looking gems with a link in every one of them. I bought 2 packages because, like I said, I'm making 4 of the centerpieces. And what I'm doing right now is I'm counting off 8 pieces to interlink with these. I've got these shorter ones that have a big gem on them right now. I've ordered some more dangly ones, but to go on the longer ones. But anyway, that's the short pieces. And then, like I said, I'm counting off 8 and 12 off of the, and I am attaching them to my paper towel mount. And I'm just doing it randomly, and I'm doing the shorter ones around the outside rim. There is a inner ring that I will be doing longer ones, so there'll be different angles. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. This is really easy because the wires are very thin and they're sliding on there super quick. So anyway, so I've got a bunch to do, so I will show you what I get when I'm done with it. Okay, so now we've hung up all the beads on the paper towel holders. I've got them all lined. I'm holding them on with tape right now to secure them. I'm going to get some more of these danglies. They're on their way, but to hang on each of the ends to give it some more bling and some on these longer ends. I put in the center section, I've got the longer gems. I put a string of 12 of these little crystals, and then I've got alternated 10 and 5, and then of course these are 3, I think. Yeah, 3 with the little dangling that I have already. So anyway, they're all going to have these on the end of them when it's done. I think it's turning out pretty good. My next part is I'm going to take these pie tins or cake pans from the dollar store. It's just the 8-inch cake pan. It's going to be the base. I'm going to decorate it. I've got different ideas. I keep changing my mind on it, but it's going to be the base. And then it's going to also have some little knobs on the bottom when it's said and done. But for now, that's what it looks like. I've got 4 of them, so I'm thinking they're turning out pretty good. Let me know what you think. Okay, so I put marble contact paper around, and I put bling on it. Good start. I think that's going to be, it was the leftover from my desk, so I think that's going to look really pretty. And when you put this on there, check it out. Pretty cool so far, huh? Okay, so now I'm taking these 9-inch wooden discs that are they're 1/8 of an inch thick, and these are going to be the base of my centerpiece, where the tin pan is, as you can see, that I've covered with the marble contact paper. I'll lift that up where you can see. See, it looks so pretty, but I'm going to attach on the bottom with the E6000 glue. Once these are dry, I'm painting them a charcoal gray now, but I'm sort of tie in with the color. I think that's going to be a good look. Right now that one's wet, but I've got 4 of these to paint, and I just love this. It's so cute. I really think this is going to be one of my greatest projects. So on to finish them. Okay, so I painted another ring around the other side. Once this side had dried, I painted another ring around here so that I can glue the pans to the top of this, and it's not going to show. I'm going to use the E6000 to glue these right on top of there. Just like that. I'm getting them centered on there. And it's going to fit perfectly. Okay, so that's the next step. Okay, so I've added a couple more things to my display. Guess what? I've got doorknob pulls that are for legs. I E6000 them on there. It's very gorgeous. See if I can come down to the level where you can see how blingy that is. It's gorgeous, yes. And my danglies came in. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Still working on the top part, but I think it's beautiful. So far, it's everything I want it to be. What do you think? Okay, there you have it. My finished chandelier project. I have a couple of candle holders there that I did a DIY on it as well. I have tea light in the center to reflect it with the silver bowl on top filled with flowers. I really think this turned out well. I hope you like it. I really do. Tell me what you think.